how to enhance your notes with the iOS 18 highlighting tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you're looking to enhance your note-taking experience, you're in the right place. So first things first, open up your Notes app and open up the note where you want to highlight something. So this highlighting tool is designed to help you organize your thoughts and make important text stand out effortlessly. So what you need to do is you will need to select the text that you want to highlight. Just long press on it and then just drag the cursor, and then what you need to do is you will need to go to the same place where you do the bold or italic formatting, and the select once you select the text, you will see a pen like icon, which is the highlighter. Tap on it and then you can see it changing color. So you can choose from a selection of bright colors to emphasize your key points. You can see the color beside the highlighter. Tap on it and you can change the color according to your wish. So you can add that colorful touch to make your notes visually appealing, and then to make sure that the important text are highlighted. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.